As you begin to teach online, you may find that the materials you use in the classroom are not available to you digitally. So, understandably, you begin to search the web. In Hanover, we have a process that we would like to introduce you so that you can find the best artifacts that align to your curriculum to use as you design online learning experiences. Number 1, start with your pacing guide, which is located in your specialist Schoology course or group. This is your starting point for finding content-specific resources and alignment to use in an online environment. Number 2, explore the content curation for blended and online instruction document. If you have exhausted your pacing guide, this document is organized by content area and serves as your next place to continue your search. Number 3, as you explore those resources, we want you to think AAA. This will help you determine whether you should use a digital object or not in your online course. First, alignment. Obviously, what you're using should completely align with your standards. As you find resources that are made by other teachers, remember they were created for their students using their standards, which could be different. You may need to edit the object before using it with your own students if it doesn't completely align. Next is accessibility. We want anything students do in your course to be user-friendly and work well in Schoology on Chromebooks. It needs to be accessible by all students and be ADA compliant if possible. And of course, it must be labeled for reuse. We can't be violating copyright laws and fair use guidelines. Lastly, action. This has to do with how the teacher teaches the content. Anything you use in your course should be developmentally appropriate, align to best practices as directed by your specialist and the county, and should align with the tone of your lesson, interest of your students, and your style of teaching. Keep AAA in mind as you continue searching for the perfect learning object for your students.